This is how to fix the error code F0238 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar iSystem boiler, this problem is likely caused by your boiler not registering a flame. This could be an issue with the gas valve unit, or the wrong control box has been installed or is loose in your boiler. First, let's check the water pressure in your boiler. We're looking for this to be between 1 and 1.5 bar. Click on the first link below to find out how to top up the water on your specific boiler. Now let's check whether the gas is working around your house. Try turning the hob on. We're looking to see if the gas supply is still active. If the error is still showing and the gas supply is active in the rest of your house, then we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below.